Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Charger Hellcat versus Corvette ZR1. We'll dive into their raw power, handling characteristics, and overall driving experience to help you decide which high-performance machine best suits your desires. Both vehicles represent the pinnacle of American automotive engineering, but they cater to very different driving philosophies. Let's explore what makes each of these beasts unique. When it comes to sheer numbers, both cars are astounding. The Charger Hellcat Red-Eye, for instance, delivers up to 807 horsepower, pushing it to a top speed of 203 miles per hour. The Corvette ZR1, however, takes it a step further with 1,064 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.2 seconds. Its top speed is an astonishing 233 miles per hour. Beyond raw power, the driving experience differs significantly. The Charger Hellcat, a four-door sedan, offers seating for 5 and around 16 cubic feet of trunk space, making it surprisingly practical for daily use. Its ride is firm but generally comfortable. The Corvette ZR1, a dedicated two-seater, prioritizes track performance with razor-sharp handling and a more focused, less forgiving ride. It offers about 9 cubic feet of cargo space. Considering value, the Charger Hellcat typically starts around $86,000, with special editions reaching over $100,000. The Corvette ZR1, a true supercar, begins at approximately $175,000 and can exceed $230,000 fully optioned. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize four-door muscle and practicality or ultimate two-seat track performance. Both are incredible machines, offering distinct thrills for their price. And speaking of convenience, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.